What's up, guys? So off to the 220 talls, 30 gallons. These two buckets are for two different tanks, so they don't have salt in them. Each tank will get two 5-gallon buckets with the salt in there. Just a quick tip: when you're doing Easy Balance Plus in this kind of bottle, once you break the seal when you use it, and then shake it again right after, it'll leak like crazy out through the seams. So what I do is just have so many bottles in my cupboard that it doesn't matter. I just go to the next one. So each 5-gallon bucket, I'll say this again, got 4 scoops of these. So 1/4 of a spoonful, okay? So one of those does about 300 gallons if I'm correct. So 4 of those, you do the math, but won't hurt the fish. Yep. Let's go over the tank now. Alright, guys, so these are the Yellow Lab cichlids. Clean this. I didn't show you I filled up 10 gallons of dechlorinated water. Clean that sponge, and there's a maxi jet with another sponge. Clean the matrix because it does collect some things. Even this 2 sponges that's not hooked up, they still absorb nutrients for the tank. When you're doing these low-level tanks, the gravel vac goes slower, so you just got to take your time. And if you want, you can pump the bulb that starts the siphon if you want to go faster. And so what I'll do is I'll turn that filter off, that maxi jet off, and take the sponges, put them in the bucket, and then do a 10-gallon gravel vac, and then a 5-gallon top off with fresh water. I already changed the mechanical pads a couple weeks ago, so they're not that dirty. So I'll probably do this tank and then this tank after, but I'll get this tank ready. There's just one fish in here, but there is waste. When you feed seaweed and spectrum, there's more waste, of course, but if you just feed seaweed, it's not that bad. But yeah. What's up, guys? So this tank's done. It was first. I put the Marine Pure differently. Tank was dirty. Put the air stone over here. Clean that sponge. Clean that sponge. Clean that sponge. Those 2 sponges over there.
Hello, Moto.
Clean the matrix. Clean the glass. Did about 20-gallon water change. All the water I filled up, about 15, but actually came to 20 or so. This was the last aquarium I did after that one simultaneously. Clean that sponge. Did a 20-gallon water change, and then the extra 5 was fresh water. But I think they're feeling happy. Should be good to try. Alright, guys, so we'll be able to look at the nutrients from the water because there's no sun. This is the Yellow Lab baby cichlid tank. That was the last tank, or last bucket I took out. Probably the first, I don't know. Very dirty. About 4 weeks to a month I last did it. But that's 3. One more. Very dirty. It's always this way. This is mostly spectrum. This is the last one. Very dirty. This is the water I took out. Alright, now this is the Yellow Lab single fish. It's just one fish. It eats spectrum and seaweed. But very dirty. The tap water that was dechlorinated with the sponges, good idea for me. You don't have to worry about how much water I take in or out. I don't think that was, I think that was just extra water. Okay, that's the extra water. Alright, guys, that's about it.